Chapter 14 Environment and Pollution. We will explore pollution, biodegradable and non-biodegradable wastes, pollution control, prevention of pollution, air, water and soil pollution, conservation of forests. Environment is made up of things around us. It includes tree, lands, mountains, animals, humans, microorganisms, etc. Both living and non-living things are part of our environment and have an effect on our survival. All the things present in our environment have their pre-decided role. When we try to make a change in it, it affects the environment and leads us towards pollution. Pollution. Pollution means the presence of harmful substance in air, water and soil that can cause harm or discomfort to human beings and other living organisms. Therefore, any change in the environmental condition which adversely affects the survival of living beings is called pollution. The harmful substances which pollute air, water and soil are called pollutants. Air pollution. Release of harmful gases from industries, vehicles, exhaust and combustion of unsaturated hydrocarbons create an imbalance in atmosphere. Air leads to undesirable change in quality of atmosphere. This is termed as air pollution. Major factors responsible for air pollution are exhaust gases from automobiles, burning of plastics and unsaturated hydrocarbons, emission from industry, wildlife, etc. Did you know, due to excessive emission of harmful gases like CO2, temperature of the earth is continuously increasing. This is known as global warming. Air pollution is very harmful for human beings and animals and causes many serious diseases like cancer, lung infection, asthma, cough, eye infection and various breathing problems. Water pollution. Those who live near rivers and lakes throw all kind of waste into the water. Many people wash clothes and utensils in river water and pollute it. Drains from towns and cities carry dirty water mixed with soap, detergent and chemicals and they release all these into rivers, lakes or seas. Some amount of fertilizers and chemicals from agriculture fields also pollute the water. When fertilizers and chemicals reach the water, they harm aquatic life and kill fishes and other water animals. Many harmful microorganisms grow in polluted water and causes disease such as diarrhea and typhoid. Knowledge tree. 71% of earth is covered with water. It is most abundant liquid available on the earth. But only 2.3% of total water is in form of fresh water, potable. Soil pollution. Mixing of harmful substances with soil is called soil pollution. Soil pollution is caused by domestic, industrial and agricultural waste. Agricultural waste include not only parts of plants but also chemicals used to destroy weeds and pests. Moreover, animal wastes also pollute the soil. Biodegradable and non-biodegradable wastes. According to its nature of decomposition, waste is classified into two categories: biodegradable and non-biodegradable wastes. Biodegradable waste. Biodegradable waste is that kind of waste which finally get mixed with soil. This type of waste is non-polluting in nature. Kitchen waste, leftover food, fruit peels, vegetable, papers and wood fall under the category of biodegradable waste. Non-biodegradable waste. Non-biodegradable waste is that kind of waste which permanently stays in soil and pollutes it. Even after a long period of time, such waste does not undergo decomposition. This type of waste pollutes the nature. Plastic products, detergents are example of biodegradable waste. Pollution control. Due to various human activities, environment is getting polluted. Pollution affects the living being as well as their habitat. Pollution is a serious issue. We need to think on it. All necessary measures should be taken to prevent pollution. In order to create an eco-friendly environment, we need to adopt 3Rs approach. 3R stands for reducing waste generation, reusing and recycling in all possible ways. We can easily switch towards an eco-friendly approach by following certain measures. Prevention of pollution. If pollution continues at the present rate, we may not be able to live a healthy earth for future generation. So, we have to make efforts to reduce pollution and retain the beauty of this planet. Therefore, we should follow these preventive measures of pollution. Wet and dry waste must be disposed separately. Wet waste must be taken to decomposing units and dry waste for recycling or burning. We must avoid use of plastic bags because plastic bags clogs drains and stop the flow of dirty water. Wherever there is stagnant water, mosquitoes lay eggs there. These spread disease. Before letting dirty water enter the seas, rivers or lakes, it must be treated with chemicals to make it less harmful. To check air pollution, we must get our vehicle fitted with CNG or LPG kits. CNG and LPG are non-polluting fuels. Regular pollution checks for vehicles help prevent air pollution. Tall chimney with filters must be fitted in factories to release smoke and gases very high and away from the populated places. Conservation of forests. Forests keep our environment free from pollution. They play a key role in avoiding nearly all major types of pollution. Forests are home of number of plants and animals. Forests cause regulation of water cycle and maintain the balance of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. For proper balancing of environment, 1/3 of the land should be covered with forest. They provide raw material for various industries such as paper, rubber, etc. Excessive cutting of trees, deforestation causes environment imbalance. It causes soil erosion which leads to soil pollution and water pollution. Balancing of oxygen and carbon dioxide get disturbed due to excessive cutting of trees. World Bank. Environment, surrounding in which we live. Pollution, any change in environment that adversely affects living being. Pollutants, responsible substance for pollution. Deforestation, excessive cutting of trees. Biodegradable waste, non-polluting waste, non-biodegradable waste, polluting waste, compost, naturally obtained organic fertilizer.